Now dear students, now we are going to discuss about measures of central tendency. There are three measures of central tendency, that these are mean, median, mode. Which describe the characteristic of entire data. These measures of central tendency describes the characteristic of entire data. So mean, median, mode. So these are three measures of central tendency. Now first we discuss about mean. Mean for raw data. So mean for raw data is denoted by x bar, which is sum of observations by number of observations. This is the formula for mean when raw data is available. For example, find the mean of the observations 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Say, this is the question. Find mean for this raw data. So x bar is equal 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you add 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 9, 24, 24 plus 11, 35, 35 plus 13, 48, 48 by 6, it is 8. So this is mean for raw data. Okay. Now mean for ungrouped frequency distribution. Mean for ungrouped frequency distribution. Everywhere mean is denoted by x bar only, and x bar for ungrouped or grouped, that is this is the only same formula you can use. That x bar mean formula for ungrouped frequency distribution is summation f into x by summation f. This symbol is summation. This symbol for summation means you have to sum up certain quantities. You have to sum up certain quantities. So the frequency and class mark, when multiplied, you get products, and all those products are added and divided with the sum of the frequencies. Then the quotient would be mean. That is the central idea of this formula. Now immediately let us take a small example. Here this example is small or large, no matter the quantity of the example. See how you have to use this formula. That is what central idea. See here I am taking a small example. See, this is a ungrouped frequency distribution. Say for this you have to calculate mean. For that, okay, what you have to take? You have to take a table, first for marks and next for F frequency and next for product. These three blocks are sufficient to calculate mean for ungrouped data. So now collect marks 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Of course, let us take 9 also. Say this is a table, okay? Right. So 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Okay? So frequencies 5, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15. Okay, now let us rub this board. 15. Now go for F into X. 3 5s are 15, 8 5s are 40, 7 9s are 63, 10 9s are 90, 11 into 12. 132. Are you following? 13 into 15. 195. Okay, these are the products. Product between X and F. 3 5s are 15, 5 8s are 40, 7 9s are 63, 9 10s are 90, 11 into 12, 132. Okay, 11 2s are 22, 2, 11 1s are 11 plus 2, 132, correct? 13 into 15, 13 5s are 65, 5, 6, 13 1s are 13, 19. Okay, right. So these are the products. Now this, now last block for sum. Okay, so you have to add them. So this is block for sum. So you have to add all frequencies. Okay, 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 9, it is 22. Okay, 32, 34, 44, 44, 54, 59. So this sum is 59. Once again, let us see. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 9, 22. 22 plus 10, 32. 32, 34, 44. 49, 59. Correct. So this sum of the frequencies 59. So now let us see 195, 132, 90, 63, 40, 15. Now let us add them. 195, 132, 90, 63, 40, 15. Go for addition. 5 plus 2, 7. Okay, 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 13. Okay, 13, 22, 28, 32, 33. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So this sum is 535. Right? Sum of these products is 535. So now mean is equal, what is the formula? Summation F into X by summation F. Sum of the products between F and X by sum of the frequencies. So which is equal to 535 by 59. Understood? So if you go for division, you get something about 9.07 like that. If you go for division, you get 9.07. So this is mean. I think you understood what is mean. So dear students, now median for raw data. So to find out median for raw data, first of all you have to take the array data. Please do understand. Raw data has to be transformed as array data, and then you have to count the number of observations. And if that number of observations is odd number, then n plus 1 by 2th observation would be the median. In which case, if it is odd, when n is odd, and when n is even, so you have to take the n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation, n by 2th observation, n by 2 plus 1th observation are to be added and are to be divided by 2. So this is median when n is even number. So the same procedure, okay? Are you following? You have to follow even for ungrouped frequency distribution also. Even for raw data or ungrouped frequency distribution, you have to follow the same method. So now I will give one example. So we find median of the observations 3, 12, 5, 6, 7, 13, 18, 15, 22, say for a moment. We have to find the median of these observations. Now you have to write array data. This is just raw data. Now raw data has to be converted into array data. Array data means you have to arrange in ascending or descending order. Now I am going for ascending order. 3, 5, 7, and then 3, 5, 6, then 7. After 7 it is 12. After 12, 13. After 13, 15. After 15, 18. Next 22. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. So this is raw data, this is array data. So you have to take the array data and you have to count the number of observations. So number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is 9. That is odd number. Therefore, what is the median? Median, as just now I discussed, when n is odd number, n plus 1 by 2th observation would be median. So 9 plus 1 by 2, 10 by 2, which is 5th observation. 5th observation is median. So what is the 5th observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the 5th observation. So for this raw data, that median would be 12. Suppose, as another example, okay, suppose, okay, this problem is over. Now I am coming to next question. Suppose you take one more quantity 25, then that number of observations would be, this time the number of observation would be 10, because we have taken one more observation. So 10 is even number. So how would be median? Median would be it is the average of n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation. So this is equal to, so it is 10, n is what, 10 here, so 10 by 2, which is 5th observation plus, okay, n is 10, 10 by 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6th observation. So which is equal to 1 by 2 into, what is 5th observation? 12, 6th observation 13. So 12 plus 13. So which is 25 by 2, which is 12.5. So for this observation, median is equal 12.5. Understood? Dear students, now we are discussing about mode. Mode means the observation which mostly occurred in the among all observations. This is an observation which is mostly occurred, means which has highest frequency. Okay, so mode means the observation which has highest frequency is known as mode, means this appeared more number of times, okay, than comparing with the other observations. So for example, mode means definition you understood, no? The observation which has highest frequency is known as mode. For example, 3 3 5 7 7 9 7 9 7 11 3. For example, this is the observation. So 2 or okay, 2 has a this 3 has frequency 2, 9 has frequency 2, 7 has frequency 3, and the rest of the 5 and 3 with frequency 1. So which observation has highest frequency? 7. So that 7 is called mode of the observation. So here mode is equal to 7. So mode is the observation which has highest frequency.